he's got the distance. See if we're going to be continuing on that.
We're going to run with the landing to take us. So we handle to about 3 minutes.
And now he is back on the oxygen. I'm going to get a thing for you now.
Yeah, that's